Welcome to Wrench It Up Plumbing Channel. This is David. Today I will be speaking about preventing drain blockages. Some clogged pipes may cause minor headaches and hassles, while others inflict major damage and expense. It is better to take preventive measures to avoid this from occurring. Here are some helpful tips to maintain your drains and to prevent clogged drains. Tip number 1. Always use a drain strainer. This is a very inexpensive tool which will help in preventing debris from entering your drain line systems and causing a blockage. Tip number 2. Avoid pouring grease or oil down the drain. These will cool down, congeal, and set in the pipes. The best approach is to let fats cool in a container and place the solid fat into the compost bin. Tip number 3. Avoid putting foods through your disposal. If you have a garbage disposal, you don't need to worry as much about food scraps. However, there are a handful of foods such as bones, eggshells, coffee grinds, pasta, potato peels etc. that can cause problems for garbage disposals and lead to blockages in your kitchen sink. Tip number 4. Perform weekly deep cleaning with salt, baking soda, and vinegar. For this deep cleaning method you can combine half cup of salt with half cup of baking soda and pour this down the drain. Follow this with half cup of white vinegar, and wait 15 minutes. Then pour 8 cups of hot water down the drain to rinse it out. If the clogs still persist, call Wrench It Up Drain Experts team for deep drain cleaning and drain snaking services. Call us on 416-850-50. I will be back with more awesome plumbing tips. Please like and subscribe our channel to receive more plumbing tips and our plumbing services. Press the bell icon for getting updates on new videos.